welcome, how do you do? I'm so glad to see you. Sit down, all in a ring. Hold each other's hands too. Happy, that's how we feel when we are together. Happy, when we are together.
Misha and Mahir's grandma has come to visit them.
Hello, Grandma. How are you?
Hello, children. I am fine and I'm so happy to see you both.
Same here, Grandma. And we are going to have so much fun.
Yes, we are going to have fun. Okay, children, let's go to the garden today.
Yay! Is Mama coming?
Yes, I will join you. Let's go. Get into the car, children. Grandma, are you okay, Grandma? Have some water.
Yes, beta, I am all right. It may be due to the pollution.
Yay! We have reached the garden.
Mama, look at that cow. She is eating something. What is that, Mama?
Oh, that cow must be really hungry. She's eating a plastic bag.
No, Mahir. You know, we can't eat plastic, right?
Yes, Mama. I understand. Eating plastic can be dangerous.
Poor animals, they fall prey to all the plastic littered by us. We humans have to stop polluting our environment, that is land, water, air, with plastic and other waste.
Oh, but what is environment?
Environment is everything around us, both living and non-living. We celebrate World Environment Day every year on 5th June.
Yes, we humans have to understand and stop polluting our environment as we have only one earth.
In olden days, we humans lived in harmony with nature, but we have disturbed that balance for products and wealth.
Wow! This garden is so beautiful. It has so many trees, lovely colorful flowers and birds everywhere.
In the garden we can see many things, many things. In the garden we can see many things, many things. We can see the grass, we can see the flowers, we can see the sky, we can see the trees, we can see the slugs, and we can see the snails, we can see the birds and the bees.
Yes, Misha. This garden is really beautiful. And you know, trees are very important for all living beings. Trees help in keeping the environment clean.
That is why, Misha and Mahir, it is important for us to plant more and more trees around us for a better environment so that we have a better tomorrow.
We need to take care of our environment as we have only one and one earth.
Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for now. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for now. A-R-T-H. Planet Earth is a happy place. E-A-R-T-H. Planet Earth is a happy place. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yes, children. So, how are we going to take care of our environment and Mother Earth? Yes, by not polluting the air, land and water and keeping our surrounding clean. Very good, children. Bye-bye. See you.